Hi, hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. Next topic I'm going to explain side angle side criteria. Okay, short name we can call as SAS. S indicates side, A indicates angle, S indicates side. Okay, side angle side criteria. Okay, what is the definition of this criteria? See directly in the textbook only given definition. If two sides and the angles included between the two sides of a triangle are congruent to the corresponding two sides and the included angle of another triangle, then the triangles are congruent. Very simple. If I will explain the example, you can understand. Very easy. If two sides and the angle included between the two sides, see here, two sides and angle included between these two sides means in between two sides that is included, we can call included angle. Okay, if two sides and included angle of triangle is equal to the corresponding two sides included angle of another triangle are equal, then we can say these two triangles are congruent. ABC is congruent to PQR. Okay, very simple. Based on this criteria, we can say these two are congruent. Why? Because AB is equal to PQ 5 centimeters and AC is equals to PR 4 centimeters. This is side, this is side, and when one angle included angle, that is angle A, angle B, that is 40 degrees. This is angle. By SAS criteria, what we can say? Triangle ABC is congruent to PQR. Very simple. Okay, based on this criteria you have exercise sums. See, second exercise, first question, what additional information do you need to conclude that the two triangles given here under are congruent using SAS rule? See, in this name only there two sides we want, one angle, included angle we want. Here only angle is given, included angle, only angle H given. What additional information you need to require? GH and HJ. Here RT and TS. Okay, here HG is equal to PRT. HG means TR we can say, that is side. One more side what you require here, HJ. HJ is equal to TS. These two sides you required. For these two sides this is included angle, for these two sides this is included angle. Okay, angle H is equals to angle T already given. This is only extra additional information we need to write here. What additional information do you need? These two sides we need. Okay, angle already given. Okay, next, second question, very simple. See, the map given, okay, the map given below shows 5 different villages. Village M lies exactly half way between the two pairs of villages A and B as well as P and Q. What is the distance between village A and village P? Hint, check if PAM is congruent to QBM. See, PAM is congruent to QBM. Okay, PAM, QBM. Okay, QB 4 means PA also 4 only, no? 4 kilometers. Okay, now BM, here what will come? PAM means this will come. AM, PM. This is 3 kilometers will come. This is 6 kilometers come. So these two are congruent means we can write corresponding equal values. So here we want to find out P to A village distance. So 4 kilometers. P to A 4 kilometers. That is the answer. Very simple. Next, third question. Look at the pairs of triangles given below. Are they congruent? If congruent, write the corresponding parts. Okay, look at the pairs of triangle given below. Are they congruent? If congruent, write the corresponding parts. Yes, these are congruent. If congruent, write the corresponding parts also, no? So here AC is equal to RS 6 centimeters. Okay, AC is equal to RS 6 centimeters. Next, AB is equal to ST 4 centimeters, and included angle A, angle S 130. Okay, side included angle. So these are corresponding parts. Next, here also PO is equal to OR PO OR 3 centimeters, and QO QS 4 centimeters. Angle O is equal to angle O, common included angle between two sides, and it is common for both the triangles. So SSA. Okay, SAS rule. Next, see here, this is WD is equal to OR, and WO is equal to DR. 3.7, 3.7, 4.5, 4.5. Included angle W, OWD and ORD, included angle. Okay, so we got it. Here this is not a congruent triangles. Okay, directly. Why? Because here there is no corresponding sides are equal and angles are equal. This is some other angle. This is a 30, but it is different. Okay. Fourth question. Which corresponding sides do we need to know to prove that the triangles are congruent using the SAS criteria? Which corresponding sides do we need to know prove? See, included angle we want. So here one side is given, means this side we want. Okay, AB we want, AB side we want. Here QR side we want, QR. Okay, BC is given, PQ is given. This side we need to know. Okay, to prove SAS criteria. Next, here included angle is there, means AC is given already common side. Next, AB and AD we need to know. AB is equal to AD, this side. Why? Because AC is for this down triangle, AC is side, for this up triangle AC is side. So common side, AC is common side is given and included angle given. Extra we need to know AB is equal to AD. Okay, thank you. I hope you understood everything, each and every question I am explaining from the exercises. So everyone do subscribe my channel, and you can click on the bell icon. Thank you.